Well, welcome back to our channel. I want to take a moment if you're looking to the possibility of putting in an irrigation system for your flower beds or vegetable garden or anything of all the above. I want to give you a quick review. This is only going to take a couple minutes hopefully. Is share with you my successes and what I've learned from installing my own unit. It's been 2 seasons now since I put this in. So give this video a thumbs up if it's helpful for you, and let's get into the details. So basically, like you saw in my video before, I ran it over here and teed off and run it down through. Everything seems to be working as planned. Of course, I come across here and come down, teed this way, and went over to there. So basically, this has been a great success. The only issues I had was one of these bunch of these popped up over the winter because of freeze and thaw, which, you know, that's normal. And what was that happened? Pretty much I don't really have a lot of things to complain about, other than I needed to adjust these. Like this one here has too much water because it's not growing so much. So I should have turned this clockwise to shut it down a little bit so there's not so much water coming in. Same way with up here. I kind of like using these separate tabs here like this. They're really easily adjustable. These ones here work as well if you like it to spray out even more. But that kind of gives you a quick overview and what the successes were for mine. Also, it boils down to making sure you have the right type of flowers based on is in a lot of sun, there's a lot of shade and that kind of thing. Because some of them on the other side of the house didn't perform quite as well, and it's because I had the wrong type of flowers there. One of the things I did learn from this installation was don't push the limits on the length. The different research I did is I should have enough pressure from the house and everything, and instead of breaking it down into 3 or 4 different zones, I broke it down to 2, one in the front and one in the back. And over here, I broke it off from here, went down around the side of the house, which they were okay over there. But when I go from over there the whole way over to here, you can see the flowers did not do well. There's a few here on the end here did okay. That could have been from a number of things. So that basically is pretty much the only negative I have on this, and it's not because the system was bad, it's because the way I installed it wasn't necessarily the best. Want to give you guys a quick update. I'm going to try to start doing that more with things I do, because it's easy to show you how to do it, but I don't necessarily show what have I learned, what was success and what was not so good. Until the next time, have yourself a great day, and we'll see you on the next review.